For all you Sandals fans out here, this is the new Royal Barbados being constructed. Sorry about the fence, but I'm lucky I can get this much. Very interesting. One guess as to what that's going to be. It's going to be pretty spectacular. There's some wonderful things that are going on here on the corner, right on the ocean side. Those are going to be fantastic, especially that top one's going to have unobstructed views. I think it can go over that tree of the ocean. This is all slated to be done end of November for a December 2017 opening. Fingers crossed.